Hey y'all, it's your girl Keena with Sweet Gem Life. Today we are opening up the September sub cloth and paper box. I'm very excited about this. For those of you that are new here, welcome. For my subbies, welcome back, y'all. Y'all know what this is. So this is my second sub box. I did get my first box in August. If you're interested in seeing that video, I've got it linked up here. So I've cut the tape down here, but I have not looked through it yet. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. If you're interested in watching, stay tuned. So first things first, we have the menu card. It says, thank you so much for subscribing to our September 2020 stationery box. We hope you enjoy this box of our newest stylish designs we have created for you to use in your planning routine. So then it lists all of the things. So I'll go through them really quickly, and then I will go through the box based on how it's listed here on the card. So first things first, we have our November 2021 style vertical weekly. It says the year is coming to a close. Time to make those holiday shopping plans. Here's the month of November in the 2021 style vertical weekly. So you guys know that I originally subscribed to Cloth and Paper so that I could get my hands on the vertical weekly. At the time, it was only available for the rest of 2020 if you ordered if you subscribe through the box. So I want to say about a few weeks ago, there was a restock of the old style, and I do have the rest of 2020 in the old style, but I am keeping the subscription, one, because I did enjoy the August box, and two, I do really like the updated style for 2021. So here is the November vertical inserts. We have goals, important dates, bills due, and a to-do list. Here we have the monthly layout, which I learned a trick the other day. After last Friday's happy hour, the square page flags fit perfectly within these. So I'm going to have to order some of those. But in case you didn't know, they fit perfectly in the A5. And then we have the vertical month of November. And then at the end of the month, we have a notes page. And then you guys know this is the cover page. Obviously, this page doesn't go in your planner. It's just for their packing purposes. The next item we have here are the half-page task inserts. It says the list goes on and on. Tuck one in your weekly spread for easy access. Whether it's a grocery list, to-do list, wish list, chores list, gratitude list, we could keep going, so could I. So on the back it says half-page task inserts, and obviously these are for A5, and it's just blank lined pages, and you get quite a few of those. So those are the half-page task inserts. Next, we have the inbox inserts, and it says use this insert with your new inbox dashboard included in this box. Keep track of all of those messages and questions people send you throughout the day, because God knows a lot of questions throughout the day. And at the moment, how I'm tracking it is I have a clear dashboard in between my weekly, and I just stick sticky notes on there, but this will work just as well. So these are supposed to work in tandem with the inbox dashboard. So we're gonna break protocol and look at it so you guys can get an idea. I believe, yes, it's coming right behind it. So anyway, so this is a dry erase inbox dashboard. And I know y'all are saying, why is it blue? It's a protective film that's on the dashboard to keep it safe during transit. It doesn't get all scratched up and whatnot, as you can see. So I'll just take it off. It's gonna come off anyway. It's not a big deal. So how this would work is, let's just grab one. You would have it in your planner and you'd be able to see. So let's say I have a dry erase marker. Let's use this mild liner. and I get a call while I'm doing something else, and I can easily make a note right on here with a dry erase marker and obviously wipe it the next day. Or if I really want to use the inserts, I can just write directly on the insert with a pen. You've got a email icon, send, thumbtack, and a paper clip up there, and it's the same on both sides. So you've got 4 of those inbox inserts, and then the 1 inbox dashboard, and this is pretty sturdy. I wasn't expecting that, but so that's awesome. So that's the inbox inserts and the dry erase inbox dashboard. Next, we have this changes dashboard. It says, we've all had to make huge adjustments in our lives this year. That's a mouthful, but we can take it a step at a time. So it is this pretty mauve pinkish color. It says changes happen in small steps and little leaps. Let's see if there's a texture to this. There is no texture. It's well, there's somewhat of a texture. It's really soft, but that's the changes dashboard. Next, we have our November month cover dashboard. It says a quote to remind you that your potential has no limits. So it says November 2020. If people are doubting how far you can go, go so far that you can't hear them anymore. And that's a quote by Michelle Ruiz. Next is the fall winter 2020 magazine dashboard. And it says it's almost sweater weather. Celebrate the new season with this chic design for your planner. So this is supposed to resemble the cover of a magazine, which is pretty cool, especially with the barcode and everything. So that's the fall winter 2020 magazine dashboard. Next, we have this memo notepad. It says give your notes a pop of color with this new notepad in our linen color. It's sized 4x6 and comes with 50 sheets. These are perfect and on time, literally, because again, this is something else. Let's see if it has a sticky back, because if it does, I can stick it on my, it doesn't have a sticky back, but I was hoping it's something I can stick on my inbox dashboard. But what I do have, I don't have my planner up close. I have 4x6 adhesive pockets that I purchased from Fancy Plans Co. I'll link it down in the description box, as well as my code, so you can grab you a couple and get some money off. And what I have is I have them turned sideways on a clear dashboard, and I have that adhesive pocket. So if I wrote something down here on this memo pad, this would slide right in and would be right there in my face. I will post a picture on my social media, on my Instagram, so you guys are able to see and kind of get a good idea of what I'm talking about. So I'm really glad for these memo pads. And what's another notepad? we need notepads. Next, we have the linen circle sticky notes. I love these. I'm gonna grab as many of these as I possibly can. Last month in the August box, there were some other sticky notes. There was a hexagon, and then there was circle, and there were oat and milk, I believe, in terms of the color. And I went right through the circles. So I love these, and I'm so glad these are here. And the measurements are 2.75 by 2.75 inches. In the color linen. Next, we have the Avantgarde Dot Stickers. They are black. Black is avant-garde. If you didn't know, now you know. So I believe there are 2 sheets in here. There are. And these are just the, you can't even say transparent because they're not, black is not transparent. But it's not completely opaque. Let's see if you can get a good view on that. Probably not, but they're not completely opaque. Oh God, I'm never gonna get that back on there right. Oh crap. Last but not least, we have the journaling cards. There are a total of 4 in here. You get the November 2020 clear card. You get the inbox 0 card. It says set a time limit for how long you spend going through your inbox. Delete or categorize as many new emails as possible. Reply immediately to anything that can be answered in 1 minute or less. Delegate anything that can be answered by someone else. Set up folders and filters for regular contacts. Use keywords in your correspondence so you can search for the thread later. And disable any unnecessary subscriptions or notifications to avoid clutter in your inbox. Guys, listen, all of this we're here for. I am a very big defendant of setting up folders and filters. I get so many emails through all of the different tasks I have, responsibilities, side hustles I have. If you don't set up these folders and filters, you will get swallowed in emails. So I love this. This is going into an adhesive pocket. And then this one says, success is not the absence of failure, it is persistence through failure. And that's by Aisha Tyler. And then we have the November 2020 matte card with the month view. All right, y'all. So this is the September 2020 cloth and paper sub box. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.